Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of the Clapper app. In order to do so, here we are at clapperapp.com. And if you're unfamiliar with the Clapper app, well, it is a app for your device. It's available on the App Store or on Google Play, and you can be heard, be seen, and be valued. Explore different voices through Clapper videos. Clapper is all about the connections you make with other creators. Find the people you want to connect with and start making friendships. Discover a new world with hashtags. Explore curated content just for you. Lead the trending page with your own hashtags. Jump in and join the conversation with clapbacks. Use our clapback feature and have your opinion heard. Share your outlook and join the discussion within seconds. Game-changing features built for creators. Make solid and sustainable income with Clapper Fam. Build a unique monthly subscription algorithm, programs for your loyal followers. Earn a reliable and sustainable income doing what you love. Connect with your fans for moments that matter with live streaming. Broadcast live with ease. Give your followers a uniquely intimate experience. Foster the connection you've worked so hard to build. Build meaningful connections and conversations with Clapper groups. You can put together your own Clapper group. Get the conversation started with your legion of loyal followers. Here's some testimonials of people who have enjoyed the Clapper app. And again, if you want to download that, you can download that on the App Store and on Google Play. What does AI have to say? Well, Clapper is a social media app that allows users to share and explore real-life experiences, opinions, and talents without ads. However, some users have reported issue with the app's performance, such as buffering and loading problems. But that being said, it's often praised for its unique content and user engagement features. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.